Hello, student. Welcome to Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology behind the East. Our department Humanity and Science course Basic Mathematics course code 22103. Myself again Smita Shekhar Kamble. In today's lecture, we have to discuss very important topic matrices, Unit 1, Chapter number 3. In this today's topic, we have to more discussion about the multiplication of matrix 1 with multiplication of matrix 2. Multiplication of two matrices of order 3 by 3. Last lecture we continue about 2 by 2 matrix multiplication. So we have to focus same way, but 3 rows and 3 columns we have to multiply. How it is appear? Capital A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. It is the 3 rows and 3 columns of matrix A. B is equal to B11, B12, B13, B21, B22, B23, B31, B32, B33. So we have to find the multiplication between these 3 by 3 order matrix. The multiplication, we allotted both the matrix in a multiplication form. So, multiplication of two matrices of order 3 by 3, we have to revise by the stepwise. First row of matrix A multiply by first column of matrix B. That is A11, A12, A13. It is the first row of matrix A multiply with the column 1 of matrix B. That is B11, B21, B31. Second step, first row of a matrix multiply by second column of matrix B. That is first row we have to keep fix and multiply now column number 2 of matrices B. So A11, A12, A13 fix. Now we have to multiply by column 2, B12, B22, B32. Step number 3. First row of matrix A multiply by third column of matrix B. That means again the first row is fixed. A11, A12, A13 of A multiply by the last column of matrix B, B13, B23, B33. Now step number 4. Second row. Now we cover the multiplication first row. Now we have to focus on the second row. For this purpose, we have to need the second row of matrix A multiply by first column of matrix B. That is A21, A22, A23 multiply with the column 1 of matrix B, that is B11, B21, B31. Step number 5. Second row of a matrix A multiply by second column of matrix B. That is the second row of matrix A fix multiply with the second column of matrix B. That is A21, A22, A23 multiply B12, B22, B32. Now step number 6. Second row of matrix A again multiply by third column of matrix B. That is second row of matrix A is fixed multiply with the last column of matrix B. That is A21, A22, A23 multiply B13, B23 and B33. Now we cover up to step number 6 the row 2 of matrices A into B multiplication. Now step number 7, our last row of the matrix A is remaining. Yes, that is third row of a matrix A multiply by first column of matrix B. That is A31, A32, A33 multiply with the column 1. That is B11, B21, B31. Now third row of a matrix multiply by second column of matrix B. That is A31, A32, A33 multiply B12, B22, B32. Our last step, that is remaining what? Last row of matrix A multiply with the last column of matrix B. That means A31, A32, A33 multiply with B13, B23, B33. Now we compare all the steps together, so it is in a form of AB of matrices of order 3 by 3 is defined by step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, step 8, step 9, and this is look like this way. How? A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 multiply with the column B11, B21, B31, B12, B22, B32, B13, B23 and B33. How? One by one. I again explain. First row multiply with the first column, that is A11 into B11 plus A12 into B21 plus A13 into B31. Now first row, second column of matrix B, A11 into B12 plus A12 into B22 plus A13 into B32. Now first row, last column of the matrix B, A11 into B13 plus A12 into B23 plus A13 into B33. Now first row we have to finish. Now we have to focus on the second row of matrix A with the column 1, column 2 and column 3 of matrix B. That is, multiplication is always possible in matrices. Row multiply with the all the columns of another matrix. That is, A21, A22, A23 multiply with B11, B21, B31. That is, A21 into B11 plus A22 into B21 plus A23 into B31. Now second row, second column. So A21 into B12 plus A22 into B22 plus A23 into B32. Now second row, last column. So it is A21 into B13 plus A22 into B23 plus A23 into B33. So now we cover the first row and second row of matrices multiplication A into B. Now our last row is remaining. We have to multiply by column 1, column 2 and column 3 simultaneously. So we have to take A31 with the column number 1 of matrix B. So A31 into B11, A32 into B21 plus A33 into B31. Now last row and second column multiplication, A31 into B12 plus A32 into B22 plus A33 into B32. Now last row and last column of the matrix, that is A31 into B13 plus A32 into B23 plus A33 into B33. Always remind that each and every row multiply the column 1, column 2, column 3 for the first row. Second row always multiply first column, second column, third column of the matrix B, and each and every elements of the row 3 should multiply column 1, column 2, column 3. So we derive the final answer of A into B. That is the multiplication between the matrices of order 3 by 3. So we better understand by taking the example. Yes, I given the example in a color wise. That is 420 in a red color, 018 it is the second row, and 010 is the third row of the matrix A. And column wise we have to take the first column 429 in a red color, 204 in a second row, that is green color, and 142 in a last row. So we have to get idea for solving this example, that is product rule, that is multiplication of matrix A with matrix B with 3 by 3 order. Let us start. First row, first column. 4 into 4 plus 2 into 2 plus 0 into 9. So we allotted here. Now first row, second column. 4 into 2 plus 2 into 0 plus 0 into 4. So I highlight here 4 into 2 plus 2 into 0 plus 0 into 4. Now first row, last column. 4 into 1, yes. 2 into 4, yes. And 0 into 2 plus 0 into 2. So we cover the first row of matrix A into B. Now our target is second row and each column of matrix is B. 0 into 4, yes, plus 8 into 0, no, yes, it is right, 0 into 4 plus 8 into 2 plus 1 into 9. So I will highlight here 0 into 4 plus 8 into 2 plus 1 into 9. Now first column we cover. Now second row, second column, 0 into 2 plus 8 into 0 plus 1 into 4. Now our which row? Yes, second row, last column, 0 into 1 plus 8 into 4 plus 1 into 2. So I should write here 0 into 1 plus 8 into 4 plus 1 into 2. We cover the second row of matrix A into B. Now our last row is remaining and we have to multiply with column 1, column 2 and column 3 of second matrix. One by one. 0 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 9. So I highlight here 0 into 4 plus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 9. We cover the first row and last row and first column. Now last row and second column. 0 into 2 plus 1 into 0 into 4. So we highlight here 0 into 2 plus 1 into 0 plus 0 into 4. Now last row, last column of the matrix, 0 into 1 plus 1 into 4 plus 0 into 2. So I highlight here 0 into 1 plus 1 into 4 plus 0 into 2. So what is the answer? 4 into 4, 16. 16 plus 4, it is obviously 20 and 0 into 9 is 0. So we derive the final answer is 20. 4 into 2, it is 8. But 0 into anything, it is 0. So that's why final answer is 8. Now 4 into 1 is 4. 2 into 6 is 8. But 0 into 2 is 0. So that is 8 plus 4, answer is 12. Now second row. 0 into anything is 0. 8 into 2 is 16. 16. 1 into 9 is 9. That's why 16 plus 9, it is exactly 25. 0 into anything is 0. 8 into 0 is 0. 1 into 4 is 4. So we remain the 4 answer there. 0 into 1 is 0. 8 into 4 is 24. 1 into 2, it is 2. So 20, it is what? 8 4s are 32. Yes, that's right. 32 plus 2, final answer is 34. Now 0 into 4, 0. 1 into 2, 2. Plus 0 into 9, 0. So final answer is 2. 0 into 2, 0. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 4, 0. So final answer is 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. 1 into 4 is 4. 0 into 2 is 0. So final answer is 4. So I highlight here. So we derive the matrix multiplication of 3 by 3 order matrix is 20, 8, 12, 25, 4, 34, 2, 0, 4. So we better understand by taking one more example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Same trick follow. First row, first column, 1 into 9 plus 2 into 6 plus 3 into 3. First row, second column, 1 into 8 plus 2 into 5 plus 3 into 2. Now first row, last column, 1 into 7 plus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 1. So now we cover the first row. Now second row, first column, 4 into 9 plus 5 into 6 plus 6 into 3. Second row, second column, that is 4 into 8 plus 5 into 5 plus 6 into 2. Second row, last column, 4 into 7 plus 5 into 4 plus 6 into 1. Now for last row, first column, 7 into 9 plus 8 into 6 plus 9 into 3. Last row, second column, 7 into 8 plus 8 into 5 plus 9 into 2. Last row, last column, 7 into 7 plus 8 into 4 plus 9 into 1. So we derive the final answer in a format 9 plus 12 plus 6, 8 plus 10 plus 6, 7 plus 8 plus 3, 36 plus 30 plus 18, 32 plus 25 plus 18, 28 plus 20 plus 6, 63 plus 48 plus 27, 56 plus 40 plus 18, 49 plus 32 plus 9. So we finding the answer 27, 24, 18, 84, 65, 54, 138, 114 and 90. Be clear, first row multiply with column 1, column 2, column 3. Second row multiply with the column 1, column 2, column 3. Third row multiply with column 1, column 2, column 3 and the multiplication between the position of the matrices is given. So solving more examples we get the more idea to solve 3 by 3 order matrices multiplication. Be careful about the calculation. So today's lecture is over.